Okay, you see those arrows? That means it will stretch outward. And this one over here, it has arrows the other direction, and they push in, which means they will shrink it, will stretch it inward. So I need to stretch this piece of metal. I need to stretch the long side here. I need to stretch it outward so it will bend the inside inward. It'll bend this side inward as I stretch this piece. So let's see if that works right. Now then, we have a nice little curve. See that? Yeah, that's the way it works. That used to be straight, but it stretched this metal back here and made this curve. That's just what we wanted. Okay, we shrank it a little too much. I mean, we stretched it a little too much and got a little too much curve in there. So, I think what we're gonna have to do is try to see if we can shrink it a little now. There's probably only so much this metal will take, but we'll give it a try. Shrink it back a little bit. Little too bit of curve. Do it a little more. Okay, I think that took some of the curve out of it. Let's go put it in and see what it does. All right, last night I bonded this up and getting ready for the other side. So let's take a look at this. It's hardened up well and ready for sanding. We'll get to that in just a little bit. But for the meantime, we're going to look at the other side. This is what the other side looks like. We're got the metal all welded in. We'll bondo that up and have it looking like the other side, and then we'll get it all sanded up and it will be looking nice. So there we go. Let's get started. All right, I have fabricated some metal that I have welded in here, and so I'll take some metallized bondo and smooth that out, and that'll look real nice when I'm done. Well, at least I got it nice and solid. And now I need to take off the wheel so I can weld a piece back here. There's a gap that I need to fill so that water doesn't get up in there. So that's what I'm going to do this afternoon.